This is not wood. This is paper. Japanese washi paper. Thin, soft, delicate. But when you layer it correctly, it becomes as hard as oak. The technique is ancient. Artisans in Japan have been doing this for centuries. They call it washi lamination. Layer after layer after layer. Glue between each one. Pressure. Time. Patience. I started with sheets of Kozo paper, made from mulberry bark. Long fibers, stronger than regular paper. I cut them into shapes. Circles for a bowl, rectangles for a tray, triangles for a vase. The glue is wheat starch, traditional, not toxic. You cook it until it becomes clear. Then you brush it on. Thin layer, not too wet, not too dry. I layered 50 sheets for a bowl. Each sheet pressed for 12 hours. The fibers bond. The paper becomes one solid mass. You can sand it, carve it, polish it, like wood. The final piece feels warm, organic, lighter than wood but just as strong, waterproof, food safe, and it glows when light passes through. This is not paper anymore. This is something else. Paper that became wood. Wood that started as a tree. A tree that became paper. A circle. Japanese washi lamination. Ancient, sustainable, beautiful.